Top 5 mobile SEO mistakes killing your rankings, common pitfalls and fixes. Ever wondered why your website isn't getting the traffic it deserves? Even though you have done everything right, you might be losing visitors without even realizing it. Because small issues on your mobile site are quietly turning people away before they see your content. Hi, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of MatrixPlix. I have helped hundreds of businesses boost their search rankings and get more organic traffic. Today, I am going to show you the top 5 mobile SEO mistakes that are quietly hurting your rankings and exactly how to fix them. I have spent over 15 years working in SEO and digital marketing, and I have seen firsthand how small mobile mistakes can tank even the best looking websites. So let's dive in and make sure your mobile site is actually helping your rankings instead of hurting them. Here are the top 5 mobile SEO mistakes that disturbs your rankings. Slow loading pages, speed kills ranking. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, visitors will leave before they even see your content. A slow site also signals Google that your user experience is poor, which can hurt your rankings. That's why optimize every element for speed is critical. Compress images and videos to reduce their size. Minimize unnecessary scripts and redirects. Use caching and reliable content delivery network. Test your site regularly with tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Not mobile-friendly design, shrink to fit or loose. A site that looks great on desktop may be frustrating on mobile, and if your design doesn't add up, visitor won't stick around. Making sure your site works smoothly on every screen is essential for keeping users engaged and ranking higher. Make text large enough to read without zooming. Ensure buttons and links are easy to tap with a thumb. Avoid pop-ups that block content. Use responsive design that works across all devices. Poor mobile user experience. Confuse and you lose. Even a fast mobile-friendly site can fail users can't navigate it easily or find what they need. A smooth, intuitive experience keeps visitor engaged and encourages conversations. Simplify menus and navigation. Highlight key information like calls to action and contact details above the fold. Keep forms short and only ask for essential information. Space out interactive elements for easy touch navigation. Ignoring mobile SEO basics. Meta matters on mobile too. Mobile users scroll quickly and decide what to click in seconds. So, your titles, meta descriptions, and URL must be immediately catch attention. Optimizing these elements ensure your site stands out in a search results. Keep title concise and meta description clear. Use structured data for a rich snippets. Make URL short, readable, and easy to understand. Include local SEO signals if your business serves a specific area. Mistake 5. Overlooking mobile page errors. Fix before Google penalizes. Even a small errors like broken links, 404 pages, or indexing problems can quietly kill your mobile rankings. Regular audit and fix. Ensure your site remains healthy and trusted by both users and Google. Audit your mobile site with tools like Google Search Console. Fix broken links and set up a proper redirections. Test your site on multiple devices to catch hidden issues. Monitoring indexing errors and resolve them promptly. By fixing these 5 mistakes, you will not only improve rankings but also create a seamless experience that keeps visitor coming back. What's the biggest challenge you have faced with your mobile site? Drop a comment below and tell me which of these mistakes you think is affecting your traffic the most, and if you have tried fixing any of them before, share what worked and what didn't. Let's turn your mobile site into a traffic powerhouse together. I'll see you in the next video.